N. Okay. Oh, you can hear something informal. Yes. Maybe notification about the heavy rain. The city office, like community center is informing about something. And typhoon level, I don't know, typhoon condition. If the typhoon became to the 暴風、何メートルかな。Hold on. I'm not sure, but like 20 meter per second かな。暴風。Like maybe you easy to understand T core 1 is almost same. ね、tropical cyclone something T core 1 and that's our 暴風 maybe same. And then that is no school and no work, no, and then this most easy to understand how to find, how to recognize it is school today or not, it is work or not. How to recognize is like bus or monorail, 公共 like public transportation. We say 公共交通public transportation like buses, monorails, 公共交通ね。They stop, if they stop walking, if they stop, if when they stop and school, walking is off. When they stop the public transportation, stop and all school and work are off. And then on TV, always information about this. So when you watch TV and then buses, monorails now stopping to walk, and then the school and work are to be off also. And then also if you get 暴風 or Tico 1 and no school and no work in Okinawa. Then most of shops and supermarkets will be closed if the 暴風 Tico 1. And so, better to prepare the food stuff, drinks before 暴風警報 or Tico 1. But that's important. That's the Okinawan story, Okinawan famous story. The union. You know, right? Union supermarket. There are famous supermarkets in Okinawa like Sanye, Ion, Max Value, Kanehide, right? And Union, one of the most popular supermarkets in Okinawa. And then they open 24 hours. They open 24 hours. Very useful for us, very helpful for us. And then, even in typhoon, only Union is open under the Bofu, even under the Bofu Keiho. Union is open. But if they close the store, it means this typhoon is very serious. Okay? That's Okinawa story. Yes, that's all Okinawa knows. If Union closed that means this typhoon is very serious. And then they close, and that means we should take care and we should have more careful about the typhoon, seriously. So that's a key point. It's a funny story, but it's true story. Okay? And so, like kids and young age want to play outside even in the typhoon, right? When I was young, I was too. Typhoon, okay, let's go outside. But it's not really not good. Just walk, hang around. Around the house is okay. But please don't go to sea. It's a very dangerous, really dangerous. The wave is high, and it's easy to over the block. Huh? So don't think easy. It's really dangerous. Visit the ocean under the typhoon. Okinawan know that. Just hang around the house is okay, but we don't go to the ocean under when the typhoon is hitting. Very dangerous. Please don't do that. Okay? Yes. Sometimes typhoon wind flip over the car. Maybe you have watched the picture or something. Yeah, that's true. Sometimes typhoon flip over even a car. So people of course, people easy to ね、でやられるかね、so yeah, just stay inside and have a beer when the typhoon is hitting the island, okay? Alright, I think that is all information for I have today. ね、If you have any question, just let me know. Okay, and then it's a dry from today, right? And July 8th. July 8th. This is the day of Naha because we can call Nana. We pronounce it 7 for Nana and 8 for Hachi, and then Naha. July 8th is the day of Naha. Naha is the capital city of Okinawa. Then and I think this is next Friday. And in that day, Naha City celebrates the day of Naha, and a couple of facilities. It's a Naha City Museum in Kumoji, inside of the Parrot Kumoji. Naha City Museum, and then Tama Udon. That's a national treasure. And Shikina Garden. It's also national treasure. And Yachimun, the pottery museum in Tsuboya. Then Fukushu Garden in Kume. Those facilities is free to enter on that day, day of Naha. So yeah, if you are interested, please visit those facilities. Very nice, all very nice. And we hope that weather gonna be clear by next weekend. Okay. Yes, that all for today. こんなもんかな OK? この辺見えないね。この辺 Very hard to watch this side. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope this information gonna help you, support you. Okay. Alright. I'm not sure. Any other comments? Dennis さん。July 8th is Naha Day, yes. And April 3rd is Shisa Day, yes, that's true. Eduardo さん、good information. Hi. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time. Still very heavy rain outside, and then maybe no events. The event's gonna be canceled this weekend. But please keep having fun in Okinawa. Okay? Thank you, and see you next time, next tour. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.